Hi everyone, I am Jayanti M, working as an assistant professor of CSE department at Kalanya Karunanidhi Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, in this video, we are going to see about structures in C programming. Agenda of today's video is introduction about the structure, definition of the structure, how to declare the structure variables, and how to access the structure members. So, introduction. Before knowing about the structure, we should know why the concept structure came into a C programming. Okay. Imagine that there is a situation we need to represent a student record which contains the roll number, name, and marks. So we know that these three things contains three different data type. That is, roll number belongs to integer data type, name belongs to character array, and marks belongs to float data type, right? So there are three different data types need to present in a student record. Okay, we have one solution that an array of data type can be created, that is integer of roll number can be created, name array can be created, that is belongs to character type, then marks can be of float data type. So for that also we can able to create as a array, but we have it is three different arrays have been created with the three different names, right? So it is not the convenient thing, and it also lead to mismatches between the related data. In order to avoid what this concept we need means, all these data types, all these arrays should belong to one name. So that concept is called as a structure. So structure, what it will help us to do, it allow us to combine different data types under one name. So that is why the structure came into a C language. So definition of structure. A structure in C is a user-defined data type that groups different data items that possibly belongs to different data types into a single unit. See the syntax of a structure. The syntax of a structure is a keyword called a struct. Struct followed by name of the structure, and inside that you can give n number of members. When you should end with curly braces closed and followed by semicolon. See the example. This is how we have to create the structure. Struct followed by name of a structure. Here name of a structure is a student. Then open curly braces. Roll number belongs to an integer data type. Name belongs to character array, and marks belong to float, followed by close curly braces, semicolon. Now, definition of a structure. So, as I told you in the previous slide, the same structure is followed to define a structure. For struct, keyword followed by name of a structure, then n number of members you can give with which belongs to different data types, followed by close curly braces and semicolon. Declare structure variables. How to declare a structure variables means similar. Struct keyword followed by name of a structure followed by variables. Here also you can give n number of variables. So with this variables S1 and S2 only you can able to access the members present inside a structure. So how to access it? So with the help of the member variable and dot operator we can able to access. So S1 dot roll number I have given as 100, strcpy I have given as a name, that is which will be given in a double quotation, followed by marks I have used 88.5. So it means that float data type. So how to print all those values? Yes, with the help of format specifier we can able to print the values. Since I need to print the roll number 1, roll number this will be is a format specifier %d because it is a integer data type. So roll number %d. So how to print it? S1 dot roll number. Then next comes the name. So name, since it is a character array, I am using the format specifier as %s. The next comes the marks. Since it is a float data type, I am using the format specifier as %f. So here I need, after a decimal point, only 2 digits I needed. So I have given us .2f. Okay. Then this is the example program. I will explain the example program while doing the simulation. See here, now we will execute and see how this one works. See, I have included hash include studio.h, hash include string.h, and main function string. Why I am using here is because I am using a character array. Then I'm declaring the struct here. The name of the structure is student. So inside that I need to give the members. Members are int roll number semicolon comma, then character array rate, character name of 50. Okay, semicolon. Next I need to give the marks, float marks, semicolon. Then semicolon should be given while closing the declaration of an structure. Then how to access it? As for accessing, I have to create a variable. So how to create a variable? Struct followed by name of a structure followed by variable name. So here S1 is giving, I'm giving as a variable name. I need to allot the value. So S1 dot roll number is equal to 100. Then S1 str CPY. So that is nothing but I'm going to give the values for the name. So value for the name I can given as S1 dot name comma followed by name. Okay, here I'm using the name Jayanti. Then I have to give the value for the marks. So S7 dot marks is equal to, I am giving as 89.5. Why I am using the precision dot 5? Because it is a floating point in data type. So I need, after giving assigning all the values, we need to print the same for the user, right? So roll number colon percentage d slash n. Then how to print it? With the help of the operator, dot operator. So S1 dot, since it is a roll number, right? S1 dot roll number. Then we need to print the name, right? So name is equal to, it is a string, right? So percentage C. So what is the name? S1 dot name followed by semicolon. The next we have to print the marks, right? So mark is present in the S1 dot marks, and since it is a float data type, I'm using 0.2f because I need only 2 digits after the point, decimal point. So marks. So that's all. Since this integer main function belongs to integer, I'm giving the return 0 as. Okay, now we will execute and see what is happening. See here, the code have been executed successfully. So roll number has been printed as 100, marks name have been printed as Jayanti, and marks have been printed as 89.5. Even though I have given the value for marks as 89.5, it has printed as 89.50 because here I have used point 2f. So it means that after the decimal point, I need 2 digits. So that is why I given here output came as 0.50. So that's all about the structure creation, how to access the structure, how to access the structure members. So that's all for today's class. Next video will come up with another concept. Thank you.